Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to remove, clean and test the idle air control valve. If your engine has got rough idle or it stalls right after releasing the gas pedal, the problem could be from the idle air control valve, IAC. You may also have some fault codes like P0506 or P0507 for abnormal engine RPM, which can be fixed by this method. Please stay with us until the end of the video, like the video and subscribe the channel to support us. There are different fault code for IAC. Between those fault codes, P0506 and P0507 will be set if IAC is stuck open or close. So, by watching this video, you will be able to test and fix those fault codes too. As you see here, after removing the IAC, we need to use a carby cleaner, spray into the valve and clean it with a cotton bud. Also we need to actuate the valve to be able to clean it thoroughly. And here is the removal and cleaning procedure. As you see in IAC wiring diagram, pin number 2 is the power supply from the engine fuse box, which must be battery voltage at ignition on. Also pin 1 and 3 are the control lines to open and close the valve. So for actuating the valve, you must provide the battery voltage at pin 2, and provide the ground on pin 1 for opening or on pin 3 for closing the valve. Actuate the valve and clean it again. By doing this, you are making sure that this valve is functioning properly. Also you will clean the valve completely.